Notecards includes the concept of browsers, which is just another kind of note card that shows the links between other note cards in the database. For example, in this browser card, the card called Underlying Model is linked to several other kinds of note cards, including one called Organization Flow. Organization Flow, in turn, is linked to several other note cards, including Creating a Note Card. Creating a note card, in turn, is linked to many other note cards. If we look over here on the right-hand side of the browser, we see several note cards that are not the standard text type of note card. For example, the card called Test Patterns is in fact a rectangular matrix of links similar to a spreadsheet. The card called Caribbean Area Map is in fact a map of the Caribbean area with links at strategic locations around that map. If we point to the link near the Bahamas, we see it brings up a note card with some information about the Bahamas. If we point to the link to the card here in the browser called Carlisle Area Map, we'll see that in fact it's a map of Carlisle, Pennsylvania that's been scanned in and stored as a bitmap image in note cards. Finally, if we point to the note card called Graphics Card 10, we see it's a little animation card that's part of a training course teaching people about xerography.